Stop the Rodent is a highly effective solution for keeping rodents from chewing or nesting in your engine. Before using Stop the Rodent, remove any nesting debris and have any wiring repaired. Stop the Rodent adheres best to clean surfaces and materials. Getting started. First, you're going to need to spray off your engine compartment and wheel well areas totally clean of any dirt and debris. Next, we need to pull it into the shop, rack it up, raise it up, and see underneath the vehicle. Now we need to start applying Stop the Rodent spray. For shop use, we like to use a pump sprayer so we can coat large amounts fairly quickly. Over the years of testing, we found that the HDX multi-purpose bleach pump sprayer lasts the longest. We like to start at the back of the vehicle, starting with the trailer harness, tail lights, back axle speed sensor wires. Then we move our way through to the middle of the vehicle. Make sure you get the top of the fuel tank and the top of the transmission. Those are always places rodents love to hide. It's a protected spot, so make sure you spray it well. Make sure, while you are doing this, you get the full extent of the wiring harness and hoses all the way down the frame. Try to hit as many spots that you think a rodent would be nesting while you are moving forward under the vehicle, spraying as much as you can. Don't forget the wheel well area in the front, and make sure you spray everything under there like the wheel speed sensors and any hoses you see at that point. Stick that wand in there and just coat everything you can. Now let's lower the vehicle and do the engine compartment coating. Just like what we did underneath the vehicle, we're going to spray Stop the Rodent all over the engine compartment. Try to get as many spots coated as possible. Spray from the cowl all the way to the front headlights. In most models, you can even spray under the intake. Rodents love to hide and eat knock sensors, so make sure you get those. After you're done, the entire engine compartment needs to be shiny when you're finished. That's also evidence of where you've sprayed. Let the vehicle sit for a few minutes to let the product dry out. Offering Stop the Rodent as a service to your customers gives them the peace of mind, also while building a stronger customer relationship. For more information and videos, go to stoptherodent.com.